We belong to the soya city of India. So let's have a look at our 30 years of rich legacy. Shankar Soya Group traces its roots back more than 30 years when it forayed into manufacturing of soya lecithin and allied products and was one of the first in India and world to develop soya lecithin.
Shankar Soya started as a small trading company in the heart of India by selling lecithin in small quantities, being the only company then which specialized in lecithin soya. It took us years of hard work and rigorous marketing to reach everywhere with our lecithin, and today, 30 years after that, we are most trusted and valued in our field due the expertise in knowledge of procuring and getting lecithin from the complex pockets of lecithin in India. We consider ourselves lucky that we were given a chance and we excel in it. Now we have a lot to look forward and give our customers the traditional value advantage combined with involving need of technology and quality.
Since then, it has made a strong market in India and across the globe in the whole food, feed and allied industries. Today, 3 decades later, with constantly changing needs of the industry, the group, with a strong focus on R&D, has developed all value-added products of soya lecithin for international standards. The scope of our products and applications have become very diverse, and this has been made possible by its constant endeavor to upgrade technology. This endeavor is supported by a highly efficient and modern research and development laboratory with its team of trained people.
Hello, this is Manish. I'm the plant head at Shankar Soya Concepts. We at Shankar Soya can proudly call ourselves the lecithin specialists for being in the field for almost 3 decades now. Our prime focus at Shankar Soya Concept is to provide lecithin with the best and the consistent quality. You see, lecithin being a very difficult and a dynamic product, we have to do a lot of continuous R&D to provide with the best quality. Therefore, we have a lot of technical associates in this field, and hence we have one of the best and a huge customer in India.
Sunshine Soya Lecithin Liquid, Non-GMO IP grade. Soya lecithin is clear amber colored, viscous fluid obtained from hydrated gums of soya crude oil, produced from non-GMO soya beans by the process of drying and filtration. Sunshine Soya Lecithin Powder, Non-GMO IP grade. Soya lecithin powder, which is made out of non-GMO soya lecithin and is a light brown colored fine powder with a fragrance.
Then it took us 2 years of execution to develop this facility, which is one of the most sophisticated in the food industry. And here we focus upon 2 most important things, that is quality and environment.
Sunshine Soya Lecithin Granules, Non-GMO IP grade. Soya lecithin granules is made out of non-GMO soya lecithin and are light cream-colored fine granules with a fragrance.
When we talk about quality, lecithin has n number of parameters. One of the most important of which is the genetic content of soya lecithin, for which we have our own PCR lab to detect contamination at all stages of material traceability.
Sunshine Soya Phosphatidylcholine 35 or PC35 is a reddish-brown viscous liquid and compound of fractioned lecithin and soybean oil with enriched phosphatidylcholine content. Sunshine Sunflower Lecithin Non-GMO. Sunflower lecithin is viscous amber brown liquid came out of sunflower that has been standardized to keep its properties constant. The product does not contain any ingredient that has been produced from any genetically modified organism, that is GMOs.
We focus on lecithin like no one else does, with a holistic approach towards the customer and giving them their solutions to their every bit of problems, because we have the most experienced team in the field. And therefore, we can boast of being the most trusted supplier for lecithin in the world.
Namaste. Let me introduce myself as a marketing director of Shankar Group of Companies. I believe marketing has been one of the key factors in rise of our company. Lecithin and its other value-added products are so very difficult and has so many suppliers from different countries. It's a comfort that customers feel with us, and the feeling of benefiting from our dealing lead to our growth. The focus each and every customer gets with us is our competitive advantage. And the feeling of trust is obviously most important. The trust it took us 30 years to build. Our growth has been quite exponential, starting from 80s, covering India by mid-90s, and across the globe by 2005. We are there in all markets of lecithin and made our presence felt very well. May it be any part of Europe, Southeast Asia, Africa, Middle East, we have our loyal customer everywhere, who are big in their respective field. Also, we stick to our old values of trust and customer relationship management and dedication to each and every one of them. With this, we assure you of giving non-GMO products the best of our quality and services.